What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Vong, and the S&P 500. For those that don't know, Vong is the Vanguard Russell 1000 Growth ETF, and we have a lot to talk about. I apologize for this video getting out late. I have a lot going on, and I am preparing for some travel this weekend, so I haven't had time to get this video out in the morning, but the next couple of days, everything should be perfect and we'll be good to go. It was just today that I had to get some work done earlier here. Anywho, lots to go over. Lots of crazy stuff has been happening the past couple of days. XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, lots to look at here. But you can see yesterday we made a video, and I'd like to think I was right in the fact that only up from here, no room left to head lower. Only one thing can happen, baby, and that's going up. And what happened here? Well, if we look at Vong, from where we bought in on Monday, we're up currently 12.7%. So I'd say we made quite a good buy, if you ask me. Current coin market cap also reveals that these cryptos are exploding to the upside. Surprisingly, we're still down to 15 in the Extreme Fear and Greed Index, which seems a bit off, but we're up 7%. 24 hours, the markets are exploding. Bitcoin up 6.5%, Ethereum up 10.5%, XRP up 10.6%, Solana up 13%. I mean, the markets are exploding to the upside here at an incredible height, if you ask me. So no surprise there. We kind of knew this was coming. We talked about it. This is the most excited I've ever been. We certainly did call the bottom. I don't know why we're having such a major explosion too. S&P 500 today, like, we're exploding to the upside, and I'm not sure why. S&P 500 news, or we'll do stock market news to find out. Dow surges. Here we go. 2,600 points for biggest rally in 5 years after Trump pauses some tariffs. Here we go. Trump pauses some tariffs. S&P soars 7%. This is huge. I wonder why he did it. I think some people are in agreement, so he's laying off some of the tariffs. He's taking them away. But this is a massive rally. Actually, we're looking at this on the weekly. Let's see what it is on the daily. I mean, that's a massive candle. Just today alone, the market is up almost 9%, 10%. It's freaking unbelievable here. It's truly incredible. But we have Solana to look at, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Vong, and S&P, and we're going to check this all out in a second. So with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before I dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI's half-decade anniversary is going on right now, and you do not want to miss it. They've been around for 5 years, since 2020, and they're doing some free stuff that you guys can take advantage of. Just sign up with the link down in the description. It is completely free to join. Head on over to the 5 right here, and as you guys can see, the countdown is still going. Just a little over 2 weeks left. You have the option of drawing some new stuff for you guys to check out, and then you even have being able to withdraw these cards, which are super cool. We have 4 out of the 7 here, so we are very close to completing this. I think it's 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, and there's a lot of other cool things that you can take advantage of and get for free. So more information about this later on in today's video, where we'll check out BYDFI here, but I'm very excited to see the major market reversal taking place here. Even things like XRP are exploding to the upside here. Nothing huge, haven't broken out of it yet, but we are up freaking 28% since that bottom buying opportunity, if not 30% here. The one thing you guys have to consider, though, is we are still well within our descending fractal. We still have this lower high, lower low fractal taking place, and we are still headed to the downside. So what you guys need to consider is, within this correction to the downside, when will we kind of break out of it? Well, with where we're at right now, I do think it's actually kind of weird, but if I jump to the 4 hour, we might even still be in a downtrend. Yeah, we are. Kind of like this, which is a bit spooky if you ask me. Like, we're still hitting kind of a wall here of rejection and resistance. This could send us spiraling downwards here. There's a lot of craziness happening right now, but you can see we are in a very large downtrend. And what we're truly waiting for is confirmation above price ceiling for us to buy in and long. All this trades inside of here is just aggressive and risky, and you could lose a lot of money, which is why I don't recommend really playing around inside of here. But there are some obvious, like when we hit bottoms pretty hard and we confirm closure above, we could take advantage of these and short and long. Same thing with here. When we hit this, we kind of knew we were going to see a big rebound, and we took advantage of that. But since then, we're still kind of sitting ducks trending inside of here. Now with this rejection wall here and this price ceiling, there's a good chance it could reject and continue to fall lower. So is still up for debate and up for grabs as to what exactly is going to be going on. As for BYDFI here, you can take advantage, and we have been taking advantage of all these trades on BYDFI because they are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BYDFI, including a demo trading account, which is my favorite, and then also the reward center, which is even more excellent. So take advantage of this live trading opportunity here. They have tons of stuff available, including a demo account that gives you $50K in demo money to practice trading your skills, get familiar with the exchange, learn how everything works, and then when you're ready, you can head on over to the live account and use all the bonus money that you've accumulated pretty much for free, and then also by doing certain rewards and tasks here, where they have daily rewards for you guys to take advantage of, exclusive rewards, and new user rewards here, up to $8,000 in free bonus cryptocurrency, limited time rewards, get up to 8,100, and you can use that to trade around with, which is excellent. Now, on top of that, moving forward to these cryptos, you can see here we are getting very close, dangerously close to seeing the breaks that we've been patiently waiting for. Solana as well, aside from XRP, but Solana is in a downtrend here. This kind of has this downtrend here, similarly with the downtrend that's on Solana here. XRP is experiencing something similar. Solana has this downtrend. We're fighting this. It's going to be very interesting to see us break it. But we have this price ceiling and a downtrend. And if we can confirm closure above this, I would very likely expect to see a reversal up to this moving average here, up to the price ceiling, up to the moving average that we're so patiently waiting for here. And hopefully it happens in our favor. We reverse rally up to the moving average. We are undervalued right now, and this market is due for a relief rally is what I would call it. It's not a breakout. It's a relief rally to the upside, to a neutral playing field and a neutral level. And aside from Solana here, we then look at things like Ethereum and these other cryptocurrencies, also within massive descending fractals. So continuing where we left off, there's a huge reversal rally here, but it's small. And it's inside the descending fractal. So we are looking to breach this and rally up higher. But I really want to focus not on crypto. I know you guys are going to hate me for that. But you can see here, even Bitcoin had a reversal, a little reverse rally to the upside here, still inside descending fractal. We are waiting for this to break. If we can break through here, I very likely expect this to take place. This is what we are looking for, a break to the upside, a break up to price ceiling. As you guys know, was it Bitcoin? We were tracking a head and shoulders pattern. No, it was XRP. We are looking for XRP's head and shoulders. We are looking to see one more run like that, one more little relief rally, and then come crashing to the downside here. I still think it's favorable and possible, but only time will tell. Bitcoin as well had this little rebound to the upside, but again, we're stuck between a rock and a hard place. So this is probably the highest we're going to move to on Bitcoin. And if we can breach through this, hopefully we'll head up to moving average, but who knows? There's a lot to go over and a lot to discuss. But what I really want to focus on is the major, I'm like patting myself on the back, the major rally we had within Vong. This is huge. It's unbelievable. We called this dip like no other. We knew we would expect to see a major rebound and a major swing. Conveniently, Trump's tariffs come out, but we talked about this. You can see here, bottom support, extremely overbought. We haven't been that, or oversold. We haven't been that oversold in years. What happens? Major rebound. We'll see if it lasts. But like we always talk about in crypto, when we come toppling down at this rate and at this level this fast, we usually experience a reversal rally, a relief rally upwards here. But then we kind of consolidate. So we'll see. We'll see if this actually lasts and rebound up. But huge reversal. Let me tell you that. Huge reversal. And this is very good news. Stock market is having the relief that it's always wanted, rebounding off this, but we are stuck at the moving average. Still a good buying opportunity. Don't get me wrong. Still undervalued. Don't get me wrong. But there's a good chance we might consolidate the rest of this week like that. Who knows? We'll find out. But that's it for today's video. Very exciting. Still buying opportunities across the board within the stock market. Still undervalued. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's video. Peace.